Hi guys, this is still February the 18th? Yeah, 18th. And I'm feeling better enough to make another video. I want to introduce the Keysmart Compact Key Organizer. I've seen this on YouTube and I thought it looked pretty neat. I have a bunch of keys that are just making a mess of my key ring. And then I guess I showed some interest in it on Amazon because they came up with a coupon code for this, and I got it a lot cheaper than what it is. So let me get my scissors and let's unbox this thing. I guess there takes a little bit of a trick on how to put your keys on here. So, whoops, hold on. So I'm gonna have to look on YouTube when I do this. Here it is, pretty simple. And it also comes with these like washers and things because you're only able to have so many keys on this. It doesn't really say on here. It also has supposed to have a key ring on it, but I don't see anything like that. It says, oh, I see. No, I don't see. It says you can attach a key fob with, I can't read it. It's too little. With accessories. Well, apparently it didn't mention accessories, so I guess I'm gonna have to buy an accessory. So I have something to hold my bigger keys on. But anyway, this is what it looks like. And I picked blue. And you're supposed to unscrew these ends and this top lifts off. And then you stack your keys up. And you need an even number of keys on either side. And so if you don't have an even number, that's why you have these washers to make up the difference. So, heck, I'm going to have to look on Amazon now for the accessories. But anyway, I just wanted to show you this and unbox it. I've had this for a while. I've had this before I was sick, but I have not been able to do anything with it since I was not feeling good. So, hopefully I can get this together, and either that or I'm going to wait till I get the accessories, and then I will show you the finished product. So I know this is a really short video, but I want to do a really quick unboxing for you. And that's all I got. Thanks, guys.